instead. Put the gun down now. And she's loaded from there. Put it down. You're out my face. The suspect's not out.